Hey, once again, Herman Hartman here, Hartman's Building Solutions, man. I'm driving, I'm videoing. I know I shouldn't be doing that, but I gotta do what I gotta do, man. I gotta get this footage in, man. I mean, the company is growing. What I realized, man, in my journey is I just have to do the necessary things that I need to do to get where I need to go. But I can't force it, all right? I can't force it. I can't make it happen any faster than what it could happen. The only thing that I can do is have my systems in place and work them. Man, things happen every day because of me taking on that attitude and just working on, putting the systems in place to generate more business. Somebody told me that what I do doesn't work. I know it worked. It worked for me, all right? It probably never ever worked for that person. It probably will never ever work for, the wrong person. But it worked for me because I believe in it, and it'll work for whoever believes in it. But if you don't believe in it, you just want me to do some things to try to help you get something, and you don't even believe in the system that's going on, it's not going to work. But what I do, man, my marketing, it works. It's true organic marketing. People know me. People know my company. People know my business. People know who I am. I'm building a name. I've already built one, but I'm constantly doing it again. Man, I stopped. I was building a name under another company, stopped that, and started doing mine. And within 3 to 6 months, I'm back. So I don't care. Nobody has a hold on me, man. I'm able to make the moves that I want to make. I'm bringing other avenues and other streams into my business. They all deal with cleaning, but there's more than just one way to make money from cleaning, man. And I figured that out. So nobody can tell me what I'm doing doesn't work because you was paying me to do it for you. So if you was paying me to do something for you, don't tell me that it don't work. Right? But I was able to make decisions, man, and move away from the things that I didn't think that were good for me anymore. Something I graduated, and it was time for me to move on to other things, man. So I'm fine, man. I'm swell. One thing I know is if I did it for somebody else, I could damn sure do it for myself, and that's where I'm at. I don't need no help from nobody. Not nobody that don't want to help me. A relationship, a partnership is two ways. So, I'm going to get me off the rip. I'm going to be honest about that. But in return, I know that, I can help the next person get them. And I'll help out as much as I can and do whatever I can to make sure that everybody is prosperous, man. Right? Everybody eating, everybody winning, everybody making money. That's what it's all about. We trying to feed our families. Man, but I'm thankful for the journey that I've been on. I'm thankful for where I am now. Because if it wasn't for the road and the path that I've taken, I wouldn't be who I am today. And I wouldn't be where I am today. And I wouldn't have the confidence to know that, man, I could build a company from scratch. I do it all. I build my own websites. I create my own advertisements. I create my own movies, my own videos. My own music for the videos. I hire. I do my own interviews. I recruit. I do my sales. I do my social media. I do my email marketing. I do it all. Now, I am to the point now where I have help, and I have hired help, but I teach them how to do what I need them to do. This is all me, man. Everything that I learned and paid money, went to school for. I educated myself. I wanted to learn how to do something, so I educated myself. And now what I want to do is, I'm sorry, I'm driving, man. They got some bad traffic ahead. I want to show others how to do this, man. It costs money, but it don't cost the money that most people say. All right? So that's where I am, man. Herman Hartman, Hartman's Building Solutions, HLHJ Enterprises, JanitorialMarketing.tips. Man, look, another thing I need y'all to realize is, man, we cover ground, all right? They got 6 parishes that I consider to make up the Lafayette Parish area. That's St. Martin, St. Landry, Iberia, Vermilion, Acadia, and Lafayette, all right? But I also cover Jefferson Davis, and Calcasieu. So I really cover all that area, man. All right, look, in one day, today, we've already been to Kaplan. We've already been to Ville Platte. We've already been to Opelousas. And we're going to hit Lake Charles today. And we're going to have a good day, man. We covering ground, though. Ain't no excuses out here. Nobody bringing us nothing. Ain't nobody giving nothing away. You got to go get it, right? You got to go get it. So I'm penetrating these areas, man. You know, I'm sewing up the game. We the kings of floor cleaning, all right? Check out the movie. Check out the video. Check us out, man. You know, I'm just being creative, using my skills. But, man, I'm excited. I'm elated, man. I appreciate, you know, everybody that's watching, everybody that's following. You know, like I said, subscribe, man. Subscribe to the YouTube channel. Register for the newsletter. Keep you up to date. Artemis Building Solutions. HLSJ Enterprises. JanitorialMarketing.tips.